In this video, I will show you how you can install SQL Server. For that, I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type SQL Server. Then I will open this link, SQL Server Downloads. Here we have different options, and the option that we are going to download is this option Express. Then I will open the file. It is a very easy installation. You need to put next. Here you have different types. In this case, I'm going to do the basic, and then I'm going to accept this. I will put install, and now we need to wait a little. Once the install is finished, the next step is install SQL Server Management Studio. I'm going to go to this site, and I'm going to click in this link. We need to wait for this download. It is 400 megabytes, and then I will open the file. And it is another installation. It is next, and then we need to wait. Okay, now the install was finished. I will close this tab, and then I will type SQL Server Management Studio. We need to open this program, and here it is the instance. I think if you don't select through this checkbox, you are going to have maybe an error. Maybe you need to check this box. I will put connect, and here we have the instance. You can put here in database new database. We can create, for example, a new database. I will call it test. Here we have the database, and here we can create tables and put data.